Welcome in this tutorial in which we shall see this really great plugin that allow to use the Emmet engine. It's a Zen encoding toolkit that improve the programming. The life of programmer becomes very easy. Let us see how to use this extension of Notepad. You can use also in Sublime free, we said, and we need in order to use this this toolkit to install the Python engine. So first operation we shall do is to install the Python script. So let us install. It's downloading from the SourceForge, and we wait till install will be installed. And we shall see an example. Would you restart now? Yes, we restart. The Notepad++ is restarted. So now we shall go in plugin manager, and we search for our extension Emmet. Here, let's go with install, and it's downloading. Let us wait to finish. And not to identify, do you want to copy this file anyway? Yes. Will we not complete it? Needs to restart. Yes, we restart. And we have installed both plugins. Now let us see the shortcut in order to use Emmet. Expand abbreviation is the first, the most important shortcut in order to use Emmet. Let us press Ctrl+N, a new file, PHP. Let us set PHP as file, and let us see if it is supported. The Emmet engine is supported. Let us see. So, for example, I want to create a table. If I have to create a table in standard HTML, I have to write this and so on. And so this takes surely more time. Instead, if I put the if I position my ear and press this shortcut, let us see, Ctrl+Alt+Enter, doesn't work. Yes, that's why, because we have to do another important to modify the shortcut. Let us go in plugin commands, and the first expand abbreviation, I shall put the same shortcut combination used in Sublime free. I want to do this by selecting Ctrl+E. Let us put OK, close. So let us return here and press Ctrl+E. And this Python script plugin did not set the script. It's okay. This happened already when I installed it. So let us see. Let us go in my sites, in the blog. And let us see the last my tutorial. Here I put the link that I used to download the Notepad Python script. Start in 0 seconds. Yes, download, it's 10 megabytes around. and let us wait to terminate. In order to install the Python scripting engine, I shall close Notepad++. Okay, and I wait in order to finish the download of the Python script. This installing this will solve all kind of mistake can appear. Download it's complete. So let us open the Python script. Open. Next. I accept the terms. I put a full installation of the entire. So I select all option is installed in my operating system Windows 10 in this folder. Install. Please wait. Let us wait that this the Python script plugin will be installed. Let us wait that at the end. It takes time, but this gives us the security that will work correctly. Our Emmet plugin. So let us wait. It's taking time. Let us be patient. Validating install, generate copy new files, copy new file status. Even if my processor is in i7, strangely takes time. Maybe the antivirus that can make it slow. Removing backup file, finish. Well, now that we installed so this, we can start our Notepad++. And as we were, and now we are. So it's a new file. Let us see the modeshort plugin command. Ctrl+E. Let us press Ctrl+E, and it works. So we saw how to install the Emmet plugin in Notepad++. It worked very okay. Basically, are many commands to use with Emmet, but in this tutorial I want to see the basic concept of the engine. I want use this scripting engine to replicate, to do a kind of cloning of some code, the HTML code. Let us see. Writing this HTML5, Ctrl-E, I can. This is a very interesting command because I create the skeleton of the HTML5 document. So we have all title. Imagine to write manually such code. How long time it will take? But using this command, we can easily to do an entire document. So we said table we know as many tags, and I want to do manually to show the difference. The head, and to TDS, and the body, and so on. So minimally 1-2 minutes it takes to take a table. This is skeletal basic table. Now I want to show you how to make a table easily, using some shortcut of Emmet Plugin. So this is the first table. This element means descendant, means that the next tag is a child of the table. So t-add, and in this case is a child, another child, and in this case I want to put td. For I use this symbol to multiply the element, because R2, in this case t-add, td for 2, and I am at this level, and I need to go an element up. To go an element up, I use this charater, this char, that means that goes up, and I put, in this case, put the plus another creare, sorry, t-body, with descendant tr, descendant td for 2. Basically, this is the concept. I press Ctrl E, and magically I get the same structure, identical of the that I wrote manually, the t-body. Just a mistake, because it was intentionally, because let us press Ctrl Z. I had here to go 2 levels up. This I knew. So let us put twice this char, and Ctrl E. In this case, the t-body, yes, is the same level. So practically replicate, I did the clonation, identical of my code. We see the head, the header, the body of my table. So let us see. These are the fundamental. The plus char in this case means simply to put the element to the same level. In this case, we went 2 levels up, and we created tag t-body, and we just redid this. Now that we did a basic, I want to create a more complex example. Let us copy this, and let us create another table. For example, with the class t1, for example, and let us put some text here, for example 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now I use the same code that I created to replicate this. To specify a class to the table, I use the dot name of class t_1. This tells the Emmet plugin to add the class. You can put also more classes, t2, and I add another t2. This will add the attribute class when this class is specified, and I need to insert between the td tags. I need to insert an incremental. So let us see how to put an incremental inside the td. Here I go here to put, I use the brackets, and I use the dollar, means this is an index, and thus appears among the tags years. And this dollar means as to increment. We have a cycle of 2, and each has to increment starting from 1. The same I do here, opening brackets, put dollar So let us see what happens. Control E, and magically I have the same identical code. This is another concept important, how to set this, and another concept important is the new line parameter. I want to go, for example, a return carriage I want here. So, for example, I want after the number 2, I want BR, quindi break row. So, new line, external, I put the dollar, means basically this means new line. Let us see what happens. Yes, it created also a new line. It's not visible, but this is to create a new line, because okay, this is the basically use of the Emmet engine. I shall show you other more complex techniques in order to get some more from this amazing plugin. But as you can see, it's very easy to program using these extensions. Thank you.